What's up? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday and I have about 9 yards to do. I think it's 5 mows, 3 for weed control, and 1 is a mulch job. So let's check out this mulch right here. So look at all that mulch, y'all. We about to mulch all this up in the truck. Alright, y'all, we got a total of 18 bags. So 18 bags of mulch we gotta load up. Oh yeah, all done with that. Yeah, guys, I always remember to put that cart back because I got some bad experiences with carts hitting my car before. I remember one time I came out, brand new car, y'all. Came out, it's a buggy right against the side of my door, and it's private property. So when it's private property, police report don't really matter because you got to pay for it yourself, especially if your deductible is make sure I'm saying it right. Make sure especially if your deductible is more than the repairs. So, but if your deductible is lower than the repairs, then you're good to go. So mine was lower. My deductible was higher than my repairs. So my repairs was like 200 bucks. My deductible was 500. So, but yep. So just remember, put them buggies back, and I'll see you guys in a minute and show you the job I'm gonna do the mulch on. Peace. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So this is the job we're gonna do the mulch on. You can see right here. So right there, we're gonna do that one, flower bed, that one, and we're gonna do right over there by that tree. So y'all can see that. Yeah, right about the tree. So yep, so we got 18 bags. We're gonna lay it down nice and thick. And what I like to do first, y'all, I like to get all the leaves out, of course. And also I like to spray herbicide on it to kill any weeds before I put the mulch on. So that's just what I do. Everybody got their own technique, but that's a good suggestion I think you should do, because you'll hate to put mulch down and then a week later you see weeds popping up. So especially if they don't have enough plastic up under it to block out any weeds. But that just to help you guys out as well. All right, time to get to it. Alright, y'all, let me show y'all what I use also for my spray. I get the Roundup 1 gallon sprayer. So I use the 1 gallon for my weed and grass killer, and then I got a 2 gallon one that I use for the just regular weed control, and it doesn't kill the grass. And then I got this Ryobi sprayer, y'all, which is right here. that I walk around and spray the whole yards with as well. So I got 3 different type of sprayers that I use, and also I got that fan tip right here. I think y'all can see that. Yep. So that fan tip that I ordered, that's off of Amazon. That gives more of a wider spread coverage. So I used to use the Home Depot 1 gallon sprayer, y'all, but it used to clog up a lot. So I switched to the Roundup, which is better because you got 3 different settings. You got, if y'all can see all this, you got the fan, you got the cone, and you have the stream. So with the one from Home Depot, you got to adjust it to make all those different settings. But another little tip I want to give you guys: when you spraying flower beds, what I like to do personally, you see where this outer line is right here, going all the way around. I spray herbicide all the way around here, like another barrier, all the way down, all the way to keep weeds and grass from growing inside where I put the mulch down. So that's another little tip that I do, guys. So just trying to help anyone out that that's getting new to the game as far as what to do. And so I already got the leaves raked up out the pile, so go ahead and pull that up and go ahead and lay down the mulch, and I'll give you guys a finish. All right, peace. All right, y'all, let me give y'all the final product look. Here we go. Got the mulch down all the way around in there, got it in there. Show you the other side real quick. Got this one down too. So, yep. Yeah, I need to talk to them about seeing if they want to add a little barrier that go around a little wall. But some people like the natural look, some people like the barrier look. So you know, everybody got their own preference. Me at my house, I got the little wall to go around. And then I put all the stuff around, but I don't use mulch, guys. I use rocks. Rocks are more expensive, but they last forever. So, but big down here in the south, big thing is mulch and pine straw. Believe it or not, none of my customers want pine straw anymore. They all want to go to the mulch, and the higher end customers, they want to get the rocks. They kind of just want to, you know, pay all the money up front, and they don't have to worry about refreshing. But here and there, you know, throw rocks here and there down just to kind of fill in the little gaps and stuff. Yeah, so that's that job. It's Saturday. Right now it's 11 o'clock. 6 more yards on the books, and that's a wrap for today. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.